Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you've been following the channel from the start, you'll know in the winter it's freezing, but in the summer it's roasting. We managed to fix the winter issue with the diesel heater, and today I'm going to see if we can fix the roasting issue thanks to today's sponsor Evapolar with their EvaLite Plus. So summer's approaching, it's already getting too hot in here and it's only April. And I have been looking at my options for roof fans, i.e. the Maxi fan. I've been looking at Amazon's versions. So there's only two things that are putting me off getting the Maxi fan. And the first one is the cost of it, and the second is how much space I need to cut out the roof just to put it in. So I've been humming and hawing about what to do, but then Evapolar reached out and asked me if I would like to review their EvaLite Pro. Now I'm not going to lie, at first I was a wee bit hesitant. I've saw other YouTubers review certain other kind of things like this, and where you get like a wee plastic casing and you fill it with water, put it in your freezer, bring it out and then put it in, turn the fan on, and that's supposed to cool you down. And the thing that put me off about it was because what if you don't have ice? Does it work just as well? So when Evapolar reached out about this one, I had a wee Google of it, and apparently you just fill this up with water and you plug it in through USB and that's supposed to just do the job. Another thing that was putting me off was how much power do these things use? This only uses 10 watts, if you can see up the top. So I'm excited to try this and see how it works. I'm sweating buckets with this hoodie on, and I've got it on for a reason, because I want to see if this cools me down. So without further ado, let's get it opened. So in the box, 18 months warranty card. This is the manual and tells you how to get it all set up. Oh, so that's the filter, so it's just like a wee piece of the filter there. Some stickers and a multi-language product guide. At the top we have the USB-A to USB-C, is it? It's the micro USB. I would have liked it if it was a USB-C, but that's fine. And then we've got the plug as well. And that's the unit there. It's actually quite small, I thought it was going to be bigger, but I suppose it's for a desk, isn't it? So it's very Apple-esque, isn't it? So I'm guessing this is where the water goes. So at the top there is an LCD screen as well, which I thought was pretty cool, so I'm looking forward to trying that. At the back I'm guessing this is where it draws in the air and then out through the front, but apart from that, that's it. The water tank comes off completely, that just slides off of that bit there, and then this slides off, and then this part here, you basically just pull it forward and it releases this catch, and this is your filter here. So if you're looking to replace it, that's how you do it. To put the new one in, you just basically slot it in like that, and then you're all good to go. Let's get some water in it and then we'll dig into more of the features. We'll get the USB cable unravelled. Pretty decent length as well, a cable. And then all you do is attach the micro USB cable. Plug the other end into the power station. So what I've actually noticed is it's got an adjustable grill, so you can send the air where you want it. That's pretty cool. Hey, oh, that lights up. That is pretty cool. It's like a wee night light. 1 watt. So let's start turning it up. So let's go to halfway. That is still a decent output. And that's only taking 3 watts. There's no way that's 10 watts at that speed. Well, there you are, 10 watts at max. That is giving off a decent bit of cool air. Like, it's actually tearing up my eyes. Obviously it's right in front of me now. So let's push it further away. That is actually pretty decent. It's saying on the Bluetti we could run that for 53.5 hours. Or technically till we run out of water. Right, let's check some of the features out. This is the current temperature of the air coming into the unit, and this is the output temperature, 21 degrees. These wee dots, this is the level of intensity, and you actually just turn this to dial it up. Do you see it getting faster? Or hear it rather. If you use the dial, you can cycle between all the options. So night mode basically turns the light off. Colour palette. You can change colour. Oh, I love that. And then you've got, I'm guessing how bright you want it. So we've got a timer. So let's set it for 1 minute. and see if it cuts off. Then we've got, I'm guessing you can change that from degrees to Fahrenheit. Aye. And that's pretty much all the features. So we'll see if it automatically cuts off in a minute. That is a crazy amount of power coming out of this thing, for the fact it's only taking 10 watts. Oh, there we are. So it's basically cut off after the minute's finished. So the water tank capacity is 1000 millilitres or 34 ounces, and it's got a water refill cycle of every 3 to 8 hours. So I'm guessing if it's on the low setting, it's going to be 8 hours. If it's on the high setting, it's going to be every 3 hours. But again, it's barely any water that it's taking. So let's do a test to see how strong it is. So it's going to at least over there, which is a seated area for the van, which is plenty for me. It does say 10 feet, but again, this is a small space, so if you're using it in a camper van type of setting, it's going to cover you fine. So what's my verdict? Will I still get a roof fan, or will I use this? If I'm being honest, I'm going to use this because I feel it's enough to get the job done. Because in the van I'm primarily looking to record or edit or make music. When I'm making music or editing, the sound of that doesn't bother me. It's not even that loud, and I don't need to hack the van apart. I love the LED lights on it as well. I love the fact that you can change the lights, because again, I'm all about LED lights. I love changing the mood of the room, and this is just going to fit in with it. I love the fact as well, because it's taking the water and pushing that back into the room, it's actually humidifying the air for me, and because of the filter in there, it's filtering out all the dust particles to give us cleaner air. You can basically take it anywhere. You don't even need a plug. You can just plug it in with USB. It only takes 10 watts at the max setting. Do I have any cons about it? I think maybe one change I would like about it is the grill goes up and down, but it doesn't go sideways. So if I was to put this into my camper in a designated spot, it would be nice if I could, you know, direction it left or right depending on where I'm sitting. But again, it's neither here or there. It's small and light enough that you can put it wherever you want. So who can benefit from the EvoLight Plus? Literally anybody. Even pets. You can even take it to work with you. It's light enough to carry, and all you do is fill it up with water and you're good to go. And it's quiet enough that it's not going to disturb your colleagues. And in the summer, I'm a hot sleeper. I'm kicking the covers off constantly. So one of these is a wee godsend. This isn't for cooling down a room, it's just a bonus if it cools down the room. This is more to cool you down, to take the heat off and make you just feel a lot more comfortable in the room that you're actually in. So guys, if you want to go and pick up the EvoLight Plus yourself, I'm going to put a QR code that the company supplied to me here, and if you click that and head on over, you'll get 25% off. But if you don't know how to use QR codes, I'll leave a link in the description with the promo ROB25, and you'll still be able to get your discount there. So guys, if you did go and enjoy the video, why not drop it a wee like and let me know in the comments. Let me know if you're going to go and pick one of these up. Let me know if you need one of these. And if you haven't already, why not get subscribed and hit that bell notification so you're always notified when I drop a new video. So until the next one guys, peace.